Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is another video of the smoke detectors in my dad's house. That one is original to the house. We have one there. We have, and this one's just an added nest one. But we have original one there. We have an original one here. There's that one, and there's two more that we have that are original in this house. One up there, and then one in the basement. That's original to this house. But a year ago, I think, we got a Nest smoke detector. I was hoping to replace them all instead of these ones, putting all the Nests. But we just got one in the hallway. But I was gonna do a video today of these smoke detectors going, which that one I think works, one in the basement works, and that one works, but I don't think the other two work, because these suck. But then I'm gonna do a video of the Nest one too. So this is the Nest one. Nest smoke detectors are cool because this lights up white at night, like a little flashlight. It's green when it's good. If it turns yellow, it means like there's a little bit of smoke, maybe burnt some toast or something. And if it's red, it's smoke and fire and it's going off. First, I'm going to show you it's pouring outside. Well, we're kind of pouring still. But we've got tons of pouring rain yesterday and today. Kind of, but mostly yesterday. It's August 3rd. It's 7:16 a.m. right now. And, but anyways, I'm going to do a video of the smoke detectors. So I don't need a step stool this big, but this is the only one I can find. I could barely almost reach it, but I can't completely reach it. So the first step should do it. And here we go. Okay, here we go. These suck. I hate these things. And that's what that one does. That one's really hard to reach, but I think I usually use a pole to get that. See how the thermostat's doing. It says it's 63 degrees and cloudy, but it's technically raining. That one's weird, but I think the one in the basement makes all of them go off for some reason. I don't know why. It's really dumb. Our old house just down the street over there had these same exact ones. I hate these things. They used to work. And I hear the other one going off too, but it's barely doing anything. So as you can see, these smoke detectors really suck. And I want to replace them all with Nest smoke detectors. But I don't know how. And they're a lot of money. So at least they worked the other time. Now I'm going to do a video of the Nest smoke detector. But these things suck. I've always hated them. This house has them. Our old house down the street had them. They really suck. I mean, I can try to see if I can get a pole to see if I can reach that one up there. But that one was going off too, but it was making that dead battery sound. I don't even know how to explain it. So, let's see if I can reach this one up here. Nope, I can't. Oh well. I'm just gonna do a test of the Nest smoke detector.
Ready in the hallway. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. It's going to be loud. The test starts in 5 seconds. Press to cancel.
This is really fancy.
Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
I think that's it.
Just a moment.
Nope, it's not it. personally think we should have this one here, and then 4 more, one right there, one in that room, and then one over there, and then one downstairs. Because these ones are stupid. Those ones are dumb. They don't work very well. I think it's done. I don't know if it's just loading or what.
Finishing up. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
That's funny. That is so fancy. I don't know, I haven't tested this one, but I don't think it works either. I can't reach it. Almost got it. I don't think it works. I'll test this one again and see. Wonderful. These things really suck. So, anyways, that's kind of a failure of a video right there. But I mainly just wanted to show these ones, this one here. But anyways, I hope you'll enjoy